So in this section, we're going to be graphing parametric equations. Now remember, a parametric equation will give you the direction that the graph is going, dependent on a variable. In this case, it'll be dependent on the variable t. Now normally in a parametric equation, t is your time, but it really depends on the application that you're dealing with. So let's just pick some random t values, and we're going to put them in numerical order so that we get an idea of the direction that t is going. I just decided to start at -5 and go to 3. So what we're doing is we're taking these t values and putting them into this equation. So x of t is t squared plus 1. So what we need to do is just substitute in all of our t values into this equation. So if you put -5 here and square it, you get 25, plus 1 is going to be 26. -4 squared is 16, plus 1 is 17. -3 squared is 9, plus 1 is 10. So I think you get the idea how we're getting these values. Okay, those are going to be our x coordinates of our parametric equation or our parametric graph. Now we're going to take all of those same t values and substitute them into the y function. So we'll have -5 here. 2 plus -5 is going to be -3. 2 plus -4 is -2. 2 plus -3 is -1, etc. Now to graph the equation, you want to plot the point x, y. So for this one, we're going to plot the point 26, -3. This one's going to be the point 17, -2. 10, -1. 5, 0, 2, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 5, 4, and 10, 5. Now of course all of those are not going to fit on my grid, so I'm just going to pick the ones that will. I think I'll start at 10, -1. So 10, -1, I believe this is 10, -1, and then 5, 0, 2, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 5, 4, and 10, 5. So remember where this graph started. Whenever you get your shape drawn, it started here and it went around, it ended up here. So the direction that our graph goes is this direction.